Hello, Archilab enthusiasts. It's great to have you back for another exciting session. Today, we are delving into the realm of home transformation with the amazing Reimagine Home AI tool. In this video, I will walk you through the steps on harnessing the full potential of this powerful tool to bring your design visions to life. Let's jump right in. Let's open Google, search for Reimagine Home, and click on the first website that appears. Now we'll be greeted with the interface of Reimagine Home. Located at the upper right corner, we find several available options. Within the AI Tools section, there are various types of AI features that we can integrate into our project. Additionally, we have pricing, resources, API, and more, of giving our old bedroom a fresh and new appearance. Click on Start your free trial, then log in using your Gmail ID. After completing the login process, click on the three horizontal lines at the top left corner. Within the menu, you'll find various AI features. Select the last option, Surprise Me. After, click on Upload Image and select pictures of your bedroom and other areas you want to change. After choosing the image, you'll see two options. First, pick the type of space. Here, I'll choose bedroom as my room type. The second option is about the space. Choose furnished if you want furniture in your room, or choose empty if you prefer it without furniture. Then, proceed by clicking Continue now that the image is uploaded. After that, click on Surprise Me, and the AI will start processing your image. Once the process is completed, we will have three different types of reimagined images. Now click on the image that you like the most. Here, we can also compare our old image to the new one by clicking on the top left option to toggle between them. Here, we have two additional options. First, choose a theme where you can select the theme that suits your preference. Second, color preferences, where you can choose your preferred colors. To download your image, click on the image, then choose the top option for download. Select the download quality you prefer. Hope you like this video. For more such updates on AI for architecture, subscribe to Archilab. Thank you.